Welcome to day 6 of the Flow into Balance Challenge. Over the past days, we learned to stand, not just on our feet, but in ourselves, listening to the breath. We opened the hips, softened the spine, and awakened the center. And in that process, we discovered strength without force and movement without tension. Now, we slow down even more, not to add something new, but to feel more deeply. Today, movement becomes quieter, more circular, more continuous. We explore gentle spirals, coiling and uncoiling through the legs, turning through the waist, rising through the spine. Nothing forced, nothing extra, just awareness moving. Let the body guide the breath. Let the breath settle the mind. Welcome to day 6, Stillness and Motion. Stand with your feet together, knees soft, spine long. Let your shoulders relax, tongue gently resting on the upper palate. Slow your breath. Allow the mind and the breath to sink into your lower center, your dantian. Simply stand, simply breathe. Now begin to move with me. Stand hip width apart. Inhale, slowly raise your arms to shoulder height. Exhale, lower them down. As the hands rise, gently extend the body. As they descend, softly compress and sink. Stay relaxed. Find your own natural rhythm. Now, as we inhale, raise the arms and open them sideways, stretching through the chest, releasing stress through the body. Open, expand. Return, soften, washing away the stress and impurities. Stay relaxed and concentrated. Now, as we inhale, raise both arms up toward the sky. Lengthen through the spine. Exhale, lower them down the sides, releasing tension. Inhale to shoulder height. Exhale down. Keep your posture tall throughout the movement. Now form a ball, left hand on top. Inhale, stretch the right hand above your head, palm up. Left hand presses gently down, palm facing the earth. Rotate your spine and look toward the lower hand. Exhale, unwind and return to center. Then change sides. Move slowly, smoothly. Then we finish the exercise and come back to your center. Place your hands on the kidneys, circle the hips slowly. Keep the chest quiet and the breathing deep. Massage the lower back from within. Change direction and stay relaxed. Close the exercise and return to your center. Feet twice hip-width apart, toes pointing forward. Shift your weight to the left leg. Rotate the hips as you transfer weight to the right and repeat to your left. Feel the coiling in the legs, ankles, knees, hips working together. Keep your posture upright, hips level with the floor. Continue smooth and connected. Keep natural breathing. Now we add arm movement. Inhale, left hand in front of the left shoulder, palm up. Exhale, turn the palm out as you shift weight and circle back to the hip. Continuous spiral. Breath leads the movement. Stay relaxed without losing structure. Now change arms and repeat. Now with both arms. As you turn to the right, let your left hand rise, palms facing away from each other. As you return to center, gently form a ball, palms facing. Then move to the other side and repeat. Keep the breathing natural, move smoothly and without rush. If it feels new or unfamiliar, don't worry, there is nothing to achieve. Just enjoy the flow. Now slowly return to center. Now let the breath settle. Feel your feet on the ground. Feel your spine tall. Feel your surroundings. Stay here for a moment, nurturing your inner space. Stillness in motion, and motion return to stillness. Great job! You've completed day 6 of the Flow into Balance challenge. Take a moment and notice how you feel. Is the body quieter? Is the breath deeper? Is the mind a little more spacious? Let me know in the comments what you experienced today. Tomorrow we complete this journey. Day 7. Inner Smile, a seated practice of gently stretching, quiet concentration and nurturing the interior. A return to stillness from the inside out. I'll see you there.